Hey, so if you're working with a team and things are getting a bit messy, yeah, Trello can make collaboration way easier. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Trello to manage team tasks, communicate clearly, and stay on track together. First, create a board for your team project. This will be your shared workspace where everyone can see tasks and updates in one place. Next, invite your team members to the board. Just enter their email addresses and give them access so they can collaborate with you. Now set up lists to organize your workflow. A common setup is to do, in progress, and completed. But yeah, you can customize this based on your team's process. Add cards for each task and assign them to team members. This makes it clear who's responsible for what, so nothing gets missed. One of the best parts, you can communicate directly inside each card. Use comments to share updates, ask questions, or give feedback. Set due dates to keep everyone on schedule, and use labels to mark priorities. This helps your team focus on what matters most. As your team works, move cards across lists. So tasks move from to do to in progress and then to completed. It gives you a clear visual of progress. And if you want more advanced features, use power-ups. You can add calendars, automation, or integrations with tools your team already uses. So yeah, that's how to use Trello for team collaboration. Once everything is set up, your team can stay organized, communicate better, and get more done together. If this helped, subscribe for more simple guides like this.